In this video, I'll show you how to use Napkin AI to create professional visuals for a pitch deck. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the option to describe my idea. I'm typing in a prompt for a SaaS platform called Cloudflow that automates invoice processing for small businesses, and once I'm done, I'll hit Next. As the AI generates the content, I'll scroll through the title, abstract, and roadmap to review the draft. To bring this text to life, I'll highlight the abstract and click the blue spark icon to generate visuals. This opens the AI suggestions panel on the left. After clicking the icon, I can choose the general style I want, and from there I can select specific designs within that category that best represent my data. Once I've picked the perfect layout, I can start editing the visual. I'll ungroup the elements so I can move them around freely and then double-click the text to change the font and wording to match my brand. I'll repeat this process for the problem section, scrolling down to highlight the text and selecting a graphic that illustrates workflow leaks. Finally, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner, select Export All Visuals, and choose the PowerPoint format. After the download finishes, I'll open the file to show you how the visuals appear as fully editable slides ready for a presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for a pitch deck.